Hi everyone, it's Nikki here from Happy Hormones for Life, and I'm also editor-in-chief of the Happy Hormones magazine. And I'm here today to announce that issue 3, long-awaited issue 3, is finally here. I'm so excited. It's packed full of really good content. We've got some amazing contributors and articles and lots of tools that will educate, inspire you and empower you to look after your hormones and get the help you need. So I just wanted to run through what's in it. We've got amazing contributors. Like I said, we've got Nicole Jardim, she's our cover girl. Nicole is from the States. She's a women's health coach, and she's the founder of Fix Your Period. Now, she's known over there as the Period Girl. If any of you Americans are watching, you'll know about her, I'm sure, and you British people as well, because she's amazing. She has been working tirelessly to support women with any kind of hormone imbalances, menstrual cycle problems, PMS, irregular periods, PCOS, painful periods, amenorrhea, the works. What she doesn't know about periods is not worth it. No. She's amazing. I've been a massively long-term fan, so I'm really, really excited to have her on the cover. We've also got Dr. Amy Myers. Now, she's a very renowned, multiple best-selling author. She's an internationally acclaimed functional medicine physician. So she knows her stuff, this lady. She specializes in hormones, autoimmune, thyroid, digestive issues, and she is, like I said, functional medicine trained. So she's looking for the root cause, and that's what we all believe in. So she's our star from the States, along with Nicole, and she is talking about balancing your hormones in this issue. Now, we've also got the lovely Wendy Powell. She's a friend and a brilliant woman who specializes in postnatal women's health, but also getting women's body confidence back. And she is such an inspiration. She's an entrepreneur, she's an author, she's a teacher, and she's founder of the MUTU system, MUTU, M-U-T-U, which I talk about a lot. It's such a fantastic program. MUTU, short for mummy tummy. It's all about building back your core strength, your pelvic floor, and all of that, so that we age with grace, and we get our confidence back and our bodies back, and the control. And she's been doing this for more than 17 years. She knows what she's talking about. She's amazing. And then we've got Alexx Stuart from Australia. This is truly a global issue. Now, she is the founder of Low Tox Life. So she's our toxin expert in this issue. She's all about, looking at the chemicals in our food, in our personal care, in our cleaning products. And she is going to be, in this issue, she's talking about everyday toxins that we come across that can affect our hormones. A topic close to my heart. I talk about that a lot too. She is the real expert in all of that stuff. So do go and check out her article. And we've got our own Lauren Lavelle, who is our Happy Hormones Client Services Manager here, and she's talking about healthy habits and how to get those on board, because you can know everything, but if you haven't got those habits ingrained, it's really, really hard. So check that out. And she's got a lovely recipe in there as well. We've got articles on how to love your liver, whether you need hormone testing, mental health and hormones, the link between mental health and hormones, which is very, very important. And we've also listed our top 10 Instagram foodies, so you can go and check them out. It's packed with stuff, so do go and check it out. I really hope you enjoy it. Please share it to anyone you think it would be useful for. It's completely free. And let me know if you want to be featured, or if you have anything that you'd like us to feature for the next issue. I'd love to know. All right, take care. Bye.